Hello, what is up everyone? I'm Financial Coach Jess and I talk all about things money, coaching, and entrepreneurship here on my YouTube channel. In this video right here, I talk about my 5 income streams within my business that brings in over $10,000 every single month. And I'm going to dive into one of those income streams in this video, and that is affiliate marketing. My hope for you is that after you watch this video here today, you can get started with affiliate marketing with some of my favorite do's and don'ts. And the very first thing that you have to do this before anything else, is smash the like button. And I know you almost forgot, and that's why I'm here. Okay, number 1, you must be in tune with your audience. Simply knowing your subscribers or your followers is one thing, but you really need to be able to pinpoint what your audience is looking for and what they need. And some of this you can get from your analytics, but the rest of it you've got to get from interacting with your audience, listening to the comments and interpreting the watch time if you're here on YouTube. For example, I know that my audience here on YouTube is slightly more female than male, ages 25 to 40 here in the United States, that are interested in learning more about money, coaching, and entrepreneurship. And that much I can get from the analytics. From interacting with my subscribers and with the people that comment on my YouTube videos, here's what I know. My audience is basically college-educated millennials that are the sole decision makers when it comes to their purchasing power. They are willing to invest in services and products that are going to reduce their risk, improve their skill set, or somehow save them time. This includes online courses, one-to-one services, templates, etc. Take a look at your audience and maybe even do some market research to really see what products and services and affiliate partnerships are going to benefit you, your audience, and the company that you're going to be working with. Tip number 2 is that you need to be 100% transparent when it comes to the products or services that you are partnering with. And as of when this video airs, I am an affiliate partner for 2 companies, Bookkeeper Launch and Kajabi, and you can check out both of those videos here. And I think affiliate partners can get pretty lazy sometimes. I mean, it's really very low skin in the game for them. They think they're just gonna post the link, drive the traffic, and watch the dollars roll in. Or so they thought. I don't think audiences respond very well to this. I know I personally don't respond very well to this. When I'm doing a video with an affiliate partnership in mind, a review of some sort, I do a lot of legwork ahead of time. Testing their customer service, seeing what I like about the product or service or what can be improved. A bunch of research on tags, titles, keywords, where the company is going next, what the company values most. Even down to the payment structure. I do a lot of research and a lot of work in the pre-shooting phase, and I really think that pays off and helps me maximize my affiliate earnings. Once you set a precedent early on that you're not going to sugarcoat things, you're a straight shooter, your audience will really come to expect that and appreciate it. And I know I did this early on with this video right here, and for sure it ruffled some feathers and I had some people come at me, but the majority of the comments are people saying how much they appreciated my honesty. When you set that expectation early on in the content that you're creating, it creates a solid culture that you're going to continue to bring your subscribers the truth. Tip number 3 to help you maximize your affiliate earnings is that you should be very picky about the brands and products that you are promoting. And just to be 100% honest, again, setting the expectation that I am honest and I bring truth to my subscribers, Amazon's affiliate program sucks. Big time. I don't mess around with it at all. In 2020, they slashed their percentages that they paid out to their affiliate partners because it was 2020 and they had more sales and they knew what to do with. Bookkeeper Launch pays 25% commissions, and Kajabi, my other affiliate partner, they pay 30% commissions on all of the sales that I generate from my links. These are significant amounts. Just with these 2 partnerships over the last year, I've generated more than $35,000 in my earnings. And it's all passive. This is so mind-blowing to me that it's really not about getting more and more affiliate partners, but really quality over quantity, just choosing the right affiliate partners that's going to resonate well and really fill a need within your audience. I really believe it's about choosing the right partnerships with the right companies that share similar core values as you and are also looking to the future. Both companies are 21st century businesses in the fact that they're built on a virtual workplace. They really value a separation and balance of work and life, and they both really value career freedom as well. All of these things are really important to me. When I first started YouTube, I was applying for all kinds of affiliate partnerships because I thought that more was better, and I was going around and applying at all these different companies, but it became way too much to juggle and keep up with, and honestly, not all affiliate programs are created the same. So I quickly pivoted my affiliate marketing strategy, and I just settled on Kajabi and Bookkeeper Launch. To date, those are the only two affiliate programs that I've really poured a lot of time and energy into, and that I've also earned a significant amount of money from. Quick tip number 4 to help you maximize your affiliate sales is that when you are presenting your analytics, if you're applying for an affiliate program, or if you're trying to land an exclusive deal, maybe with a newer company, or negotiate a higher affiliate percentage, present your analytics and present the information about your business within a very organized media kit. I created my media kit using a free template on Canva. And I love using Canva for this because it already has all of my brand colors, pics, fonts. It's very easy to make it on brand. I also like using Canva because I can link the text on the PDF. So on the first page of my media kit, the company that is reviewing it can click on my Instagram and see that I have over 3,000 followers. I try to be as transparent as possible. On page 2, I highlight all of my YouTube stats and help them understand the direction that my channel and business are headed. Just like you want to vet the business, they are also evaluating you to see if they want you to represent their brand. Because I'm constantly growing the channel and growing my business, the numbers and the stats are always going to be a little bit outdated, which is really a good problem to have. I'll probably keep updating these at least quarterly until I have a significant plateau. Page 3 is some more transparency focusing on live, organic growth. I didn't pay some bots to inflate my numbers so that I can scam you. Social Blade is an objective third-party platform that tracks the analytics. Page 4 is my demographic, which I read off to you guys earlier. And page 5 is my case study of how my Bookkeeper Launch review video has done really well, not only on my channel, as you can see, it's the #1 and #2 ranked videos for all of these searches, but it's also generated Bookkeeper Launch 2,200 clicks, 526 opt-ins, or over 6 figures in sales. I'm not going to reveal the exact number because it is Bookkeeper Launch's data. I also include my website stats with thousands of monthly views, and then finally how we can work together. I've blacked out the prices because those change as I grow, but you can get a feel for what this looks like. Lastly, I include a page for next steps and how they can book a call, and after we meet, we sign a contract and I can fulfill my end of the production. Ooh, 10 pages. It is a monster document, but what an amazing testament to how organized you are, how you can get your brand partners results, your attention to detail, your focus. This really speaks volumes, I think, to brands and starts the relationship off on a good note. These 4 tips are the exact steps that I've taken to generate over $35,000 of passive income over the last year. Honestly, I would have never thought that this is possible, but I'm so glad I took that first very unknowing step in June of 2020 and decided to give it a try. Let me know below, what was your biggest takeaway from this video here today? What's really going to stick with you? If you enjoyed this video, here's another one that should definitely be on your watch list. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you are notified each week when a new video drops. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.